Another video for Help Week 3 homework. We'll look at exercise 12 now. Exercise 12 reads, please verify that the given value is a solution to the given equation below. And basically you're trying to say true or false that this problem is can be solved by the value given. So we have negative 3y plus 7 equals 2y minus 15. Okay, let me make sure I can read that. So this is a y, everybody. Another y here. Okay, and now again I'm just going to confirm that I wrote it down right. Negative 3y plus 7 equals 2y minus 15. And the value they're giving us to test is y equal to 22 fifths. 22 over 5. Kind of a odd number to choose to verify, but anyway, that's what they're saying. So all we're going to do is we're going to substitute this value in wherever we find y in the equation. So I'll write it over here so we can see it a little better. So y equals 22 fifths. Okay, so we've got negative 3 times 22 over 5 plus 7 equals 2 times 22 fifths minus 15. Okay, now what we have to do is basically work through this to make sure that when we satisfy this multiplication and addition over here and this multiplication and subtraction over here, that we really do come out with a value that's equal on both sides. So let's just multiply negative 3 times 22 over 5. That gives us negative 66 over 5 plus 7 equals 2 times 22 over 5 is 44 over 5 minus 15. Now to add these, we need to turn this into a fraction that has a denominator the same as this denominator, right? So we'll make it negative 66 over 5 plus, how do we get this to something that would have a 5? Well, we need to multiply that by 5. So we get 35 over 5. And then we do the same thing on the right-hand side of the equation. We get 44 fifths minus, well, 15 if we want to get a value the same as 15, but with a denominator of 5, we'll have to multiply 15 times 5. When we do that, we get 75 over 5. Okay, now we just need to do addition over here, subtraction over here. So if we subtract 75 from 44, we get a negative, what is that, negative 31 over 5. And on this other side of the equation, we're going to get 66 minus 35. Looks like 3 and 1. Looks like a negative 31 over 5. So indeed, they are equal. And so the ultimate answer here is true. So it turns out that a value of y equals 22 fifths, or 22 over 5, does satisfy this equation. So that's one of the solutions. It may not be the only solution, but it is one of the solutions. So the answer to the number 12 exercise is true.